Linux Mint has long been one of the most popular Linux distributions in the world, especially among users looking for a stable, user-friendly alternative to Windows. Now, the arrival of Linux Mint 23 Alpha has generated a lot of excitement in the Linux community. While this is still an early development release and not yet intended for production systems, it offers enthusiasts and testers a chance to experience the next generation of Linux Mint before the final version becomes available. In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at Linux Mint 23 Alpha, explore the new features and improvements, discuss what users can expect from this release, and most importantly, show you how you can install it right now if you're eager to test the latest version. Before we begin, it's important to understand what an alpha release actually means. An alpha version is one of the earliest public testing stages in software development. It is designed primarily for developers, testers, and adventurous users who want to help identify bugs and provide feedback. This means Linux Mint 23 Alpha may contain unfinished features, unexpected crashes, hardware compatibility issues, or other bugs that could affect daily use. If you rely on your computer for important work, school, or business tasks, it is strongly recommended that you install this release in a virtual machine or on a separate test computer rather than replacing your main operating system. Linux Mint 23 Alpha is built upon the latest Ubuntu long-term support base, ensuring that users benefit from a modern Linux kernel, updated hardware support, and access to newer software packages. One of the major goals of every Linux Mint release is to balance cutting-edge technology with the reliability that Mint users expect. The developers continue to focus on creating an operating system that feels polished, familiar, and easy to use while incorporating the latest improvements from the broader Linux ecosystem. When you first boot into Linux Mint 23 Alpha, one of the most noticeable aspects is the continued refinement of the Cinnamon desktop environment. Cinnamon remains the flagship desktop of Linux Mint and has received numerous performance optimizations and visual enhancements. The desktop feels smooth and responsive, with improved window management and faster startup times. While the overall appearance remains familiar to longtime Mint users, subtle interface improvements help create a more polished and modern experience. The System Settings application has also received updates, making it easier for users to configure their systems. Navigation feels more intuitive, and several settings categories have been reorganized for improved accessibility. Linux Mint has always excelled at providing user-friendly graphical tools, and version 23 Alpha continues this tradition by refining existing utilities rather than overwhelming users with drastic changes. Performance improvements are another key area of focus in this release. The development team has worked on optimizing resource usage throughout the operating system. Memory management has been improved. Application startup times are faster in many scenarios, and overall responsiveness has been enhanced. These changes may not always be immediately visible, but they contribute significantly to the user experience, especially on older hardware where efficiency matters most. Linux Mint's software manager continues to evolve as well. The software installation experience remains straightforward, allowing users to browse, search, and install applications with just a few clicks. Improvements to package handling and application discovery make finding software easier than ever. The integration of Flatpak applications remains an important component of the Mint ecosystem, giving users access to a vast library of up-to-date software directly from FlatHub. Security is another area where Linux Mint 23 Alpha introduces important updates. Newer security patches inherited from the Ubuntu base improve system protection, while updated system libraries help safeguard against recently discovered vulnerabilities. The Update Manager continues to provide a simple and effective way to keep the operating system current without requiring users to interact with complex command line tools. Hardware support has also improved thanks to a newer Linux kernel. Users with recently released processors, graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, and other peripherals may notice better compatibility compared to previous Linux Mint releases. This is particularly important for users purchasing new hardware who want the best possible Linux experience without needing to manually install additional drivers. One area that many users will appreciate is enhanced support for Wayland technologies. While Linux Mint remains heavily focused on stability, the Linux desktop ecosystem is gradually moving toward Wayland as the future display protocol. Linux Mint 23 Alpha includes ongoing improvements in this area, helping prepare the distribution for future developments while maintaining compatibility. with existing applications and workflows. The file manager also receives attention in this release. Users can expect various usability enhancements, smoother file operations, and better integration with modern desktop technologies. Small improvements such as faster directory navigation, IMPROVED search functionality, and refined interface elements contribute to a better overall experience. Multimedia support remains one of Linux Mint's strongest features. The distribution continues to provide excellent out-of-the-box support for common audio and video formats. Whether you're watching videos, listening to music, editing photos, or streaming online content, Linux Mint aims to provide a hassle-free experience from the moment the system is installed. Now let's talk about how you can install Linux Mint 23 Alpha right now. The first step is obtaining the installation image. Visit the official Linux Mint website or the project's testing announcement page where alpha releases are typically made available. Download the appropriate ISO image for your preferred desktop edition if multiple variants are offered. Make sure to verify the integrity of the downloaded file using the provided checksum information to ensure the download was completed successfully and has not been corrupted. Once the ISO image has been downloaded, you'll need to create bootable installation media. If you're using Windows, applications such as Rufus, Balena Etcher, or Ventoy can help create a bootable USB drive. Simply insert a USB flash drive with sufficient capacity, select the downloaded Linux Mint 23 Alpha ISO file, and follow the software's instructions to write the image to the drive. For Linux users, creating a bootable USB drive is equally straightforward. Tools such as Balena Etcher, Ventoy, GNOME disks, or command line utilities can be used to transfer the ISO image to a USB device. Regardless of the method you choose, ensure that any important data on the USB drive has been backed up, as the process will erase existing contents. After creating the bootable USB drive, restart your computer and enter the system's boot menu or BIOS settings. The specific key varies depending on your hardware manufacturer, but common options include F12, F10ESC, or Dell. Select the USB device as the boot source and allow the system to start from the Linux Mint installation media. When the live environment loads, you'll have the opportunity to test Linux Mint 23 Alpha without making any changes to your computer. This live session allows you to verify hardware compatibility, explore the desktop environment, and evaluate performance before proceeding with installation. If everything appears to work correctly, double-click the installation icon on the desktop to launch the installer. The Linux Mint installer is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. You'll begin by selecting your preferred language and keyboard layout. Next, the installer may offer options for installing multimedia codecs and proprietary drivers. Enabling these options can improve compatibility with various hardware devices and media formats. The partitioning stage is one of the most important steps. If you're installing Linux Mint on a dedicated test machine, you may choose the option to erase the entire disk and install Linux Mint automatically. If you wish to dual boot alongside Windows or another operating system, carefully select the appropriate partitioning option and review the proposed changes before proceeding. Users unfamiliar with disk partitioning should exercise caution and ensure important data has been backed up beforehand. Next, you'll be asked to create a user account, choose a computer name, and set a password. Once these details have been entered, the installer will begin copying files to the disk. Installation time varies depending on your hardware, but typically takes between 10 and 20 minutes on modern systems. After installation is complete, restart the computer and remove the USB drive when prompted. Upon booting into your new Linux Mint 23 Alpha installation, you'll be greeted by the familiar welcome screen. From here, you can configure updates, explore documentation, and customize the desktop according to your preferences. One of the first tasks after installation should be updating the system. Since alpha releases are under active development, frequent updates may become available as developers fix bugs and introduce improvements. Running the update manager regularly ensures you have access to the latest fixes and enhancements. It's also worth noting that alpha releases often benefit greatly from community feedback. If you encounter bugs, graphical glitches, hardware issues, or application crashes, consider reporting them through the official Linux Mint bug tracking channels. User reports play a crucial role in helping developers identify problems and improve stability before the final release reaches the broader community. For users running Linux Mint 23 Alpha inside a virtual machine, Platforms such as VirtualBox, VMware, and GNOME boxes provide excellent testing environments. Virtual machines allow you to experiment with the operating system without affecting your existing setup and make it easy to revert changes if something goes wrong. As development continues, additional features and refinements are likely to appear before the final release of Linux Mint 23. The alpha version provides an exciting preview of the direction the project is taking, but it does not necessarily represent the finished product. Some features may change, new functionality may be added, and bugs discovered during testing will be addressed in future beta and stable releases. Overall, Linux Mint 23 Alpha demonstrates the project's ongoing commitment to delivering a polished, accessible, and reliable Linux desktop experience. While the changes may not be revolutionary, they reflect a careful and deliberate approach to improvement that has helped Linux Mint remain one of the most respected Linux distributions for years. Users who enjoy testing new software and contributing feedback will find plenty to explore in this early release. Whether you're a longtime Mint enthusiast or simply curious about the future of Linux desktop computing, Linux Mint 23 Alpha offers an exciting glimpse at what's coming next. If you're willing to accept the risks associated with pre-release software, now is the perfect time to download Linux Mint 23 Alpha, install it on a test system, and experience the future of Linux Mint before everyone else.